Hello guys, this boy Muhammad. I'm back for another video from How to PC. Today I'll walk you through how to add a second clock in the Windows 10. The step is very easy. You go in the bottom right corner. You see in the clock. You see you have the time is here. You go to time, the shares button, and hit time, and you show the time and date and time. I mean setting. And you have in the right corner you have added clock from different time zone. Click on it. It shows this clock, and you will show you need to select your zone you want to show up. I hit that and hit apply and okay. You will see it's here. When you highlight, you see we have second clock in the local time. Have the second clock. If you need to disable it, you go to edit clock different time zone and check that show this clock and click apply and okay. You will see here you don't have any second clock time here. And this video for today, I hope helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.